Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another episode review of Izingane Zisthembu. You guys, I want to speak about something that I feel like was kind of like awkward. It was awkward, but it was necessary at the same time. And I'm just like, was it really necessary? I don't know. I want to talk about the whole scene of Uvuyokazi and Umpilo. So Uvuyokazi decides to pull Umpilo aside and have a conversation with Umpilo. I truly did appreciate this, you guys, because I felt like it was going to be awkward for Uvuyokazi to mention like everything that she mentioned to Umpilo in front of everyone, like it was going to be unnecessary. So she pulled her aside and then basically tells her that, yeah, no, Mpumelelo, they're not fine, and then goes on this, like just talks about her and Mpumelelo, like it's apparent that there's tension between them, and the whole thing of virgin, Mpumelelo wants to marry a virgin, take another, marry someone above her or before her, or everything like that. And I'm just like, realizing my girl. Realizing my girl, like, you know what, Nim? I've been through a breakup before, you guys. And one thing about going through a breakup, you feel the need of explaining the whole situation to anyone who's going to give you an ear. All of that, I don't feel like it was appropriate for Uvuyokazi to have that conversation with Umpilo. I'll tell you why. You could tell, you guys, Umpilo is in an awkward situation. Not only from her body language, when you listened to the commentary that Umpilo made on the in her diary session, she basically said that she was basically saying, Uti, like, I am not involved and I will not involve myself in indaba zikaMpumelelo. I have nothing to say. That's basically what she says. She says that I don't have anything to say. Either than just offer did she say my shoulder or my ear, something like that. But she said something along those lines. I have nothing to say either than just, offer my sympathy. Offer my sympathy toward her. And I'm like, the fact, it's not that. Even when the conversation Umpilo and Uabongwe had when Umpumelelo came and introduced Unosipho, you can see it's not that they don't literally have anything to say about the situation. They intentionally, keep her intentionally out of Mpumenelo's business because they don't want to be involved, So I felt that's how I'm saying it was necessary yet unnecessary. I get the end goal that it was to notify Umpilo that, listen, I'm bringing a friend to this trip, and because you're the one who invited me, I don't want you to feel as if I'm disrespecting you, whereas you don't even know that friend, or you did not even invite that friend. So I'm inviting this friend, and here's the context of why I'm inviting the friend. I get it, you guys, but I just feel like it was too much detail for Umpilo. And my thing is, you guys, that I don't know. I think it's important for you to not make people feel awkward for situations you find yourself in, right? Ovia, as he kept saying, I mean, it's obvious you can see that the tension. And Umpilo Tedekri, she said, yes, I could see the tension, tension, but I don't know what it's about. So, yeah, I feel like, guys, you could have just kept it short to say, like, Umpilo, well, to say that below you can notice, or I'm sure you've noticed there's tension. So me and Umpumelelo, we're not fine. And I really don't want to get into the details of that. But I have brought a friend. I hope you don't mind, because I feel like I need the moral support so that I don't feel left out. That whole thing, Yoguti, now, virgin, he's taking another wife before me. I'm just like, realize this is not the right person to be venting out to, Like, that's the thing about people's families, you guys, that sometimes you think, oh, people are for you, but people are not for you. They're acting nice towards you because it's the right thing to do, but not that they are really for you. So I don't feel like it's wise to go and speak in Dabaza. Yes, it's on public domain. Yes, eventually they were going to know, or I'm sure by that time Umpilo had heard something. But for the fact that It's not. I probably think, or I personally think that Umpilo does, and she has heard about the whole virgin thing, but you won't hear her. She has not mentioned it. And I think it's intentional because she doesn't want to get herself involved. So I don't think it's fair for Uvuyokazi to drag. And I know other people are like, no, she was not dragging her. But I don't think it's fair for Uvuyokazi to offload that to Umpilo, because what must Umpilo say? So if your brother's girlfriend comes and say that Meluti, like what must you say? It's an awkward situation, you know. Yeah, that's how I feel, and I feel like I don't think it was fair for Uvuyokazi to put Umpilo in that awkward type of situation because Umpilo, if she wanted to get that information out of Uvuyokazi, I believe she would have asked Uvuyokazi about that, but I feel like she intentionally did not ask Uvuyokazi about that. But anyway, that's my take on it. But I guess, yeah, it is what it is. Mangitu Uvuyokazi has confirmed ukuthi she's getting out of this whole situation. So I guess then Umpilo won't have to feel awkward of, because the thing is now when someone told you such a story about themselves, it again puts you in an awkward situation of, do you check up on the person? Do you know? And I know Uvuyokazi was not saying Utumpilo must take sides. I know that, but I'm just like, some things, like, just keep it short, sweet, and simple, you guys, because it just puts people in an awkward type of situation. Same thing that I was saying with the dinner type of situation. There's some people on that dinner, uabongwe, ulwadle, umpilo. Those people, like, guys, they really try and pursue peace. They really try and pursue peace. So I don't feel like it's fair for anyone to try and drag them or to put any type of baggage on them bandle. Angifuni ngabo, angifuni ngolwandle, angifuni ngompilo, angifuni who's this last one? Abongwe, because yeah, they're unproblematic, you guys. So yeah, guys, yeah, that's my take on that whole scene that I just felt like was a bit awkward, but yet like I get the end point of it. Tell me, what did you think about it, guys? Should I say again, please keep it respectful in the comment section down below. Tell me, do you feel like it was a bit awkward that Uvuyokazi, or do you feel like Uvuyokazi shared a little bit too much on the situation to Umpilo, or you feel like it's really not that deep for you? Tell me what you think. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.